Hi, Dr. Stern here, and today I'm going to show you my 5 great tips for detoxing the lymphatic system. Now every day somebody's reaching out to me asking me how can they detox, they're not feeling 100% and they want to clean up their diet and do things to get themselves feeling better. So what they're really talking about is how can they detox their lymphatic system so that they can be at 100% of their optimal health. There's 5 tips, but before I get there, let's just talk about why the lymphatic system is so important. There's 3 major things that the lymphatic system does. Number 1, it carries away cell debris, toxins, and waste. Our body's constantly creating toxins. Not only that, we're getting toxins from food, our water, and the air. So all this toxic metabolites build up in our system, and it's the lymphatic system's job to take the toxins away from our healthy tissue and move it out through what's called the lymphatic system of vessels and ducts, and it cleans it. So we're getting rid of those toxins through the lymphatic system. If it's congested, those toxins can build up in your system and you're gonna have some symptoms and you're not gonna feel your best. Number 2, it absorbs fat. So if you're out there and on a ketogenic diet, or you're just someone who needs to eat fat, which all of us do, the lymphatic system is vital for absorbing and processing fat. Now, let me just explain this real quick. When we eat carbohydrates and we eat protein, it goes in our stomach, through our small intestines, and goes right into our bloodstream. That does not happen with fat. When we digest fat, it goes from our small intestine into our lymphatic system. It does not go right into our bloodstream. The lymphatic system helps absorb and digest fat, and then it brings it to the bloodstream. So if your lymphatic system is congested and not working as efficiently as it needs to be, your absorption of fat is going to be diminished. So what is that going to affect? It's going to affect your ability to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, E, K, and of course vitamin D, which we all know is so vital to our immune system health and our overall feeling of vitality. The third thing it does is it helps fight infection. The lymphatic system has white blood cells that kill bacteria, viruses, fungi, and allows us to stay strong and healthy with a great, healthy immune system. So the lymphatic system is so critical in so many things. Now, what are some symptoms that you could be experiencing with some sluggish lymphatic system function? Number 1, acne and dermatitis. Those toxins build up and they get released into the skin. So you're going to have possibly some skin issues. Number 2, bloating, gas, constipation, even diarrhea. Digestion issues are huge when you have lymphatic congestion. The third thing, people get sick a lot. Like I said, the lymphatic system is critical at fighting infection. So if your lymphatic system is not firing on all cylinders, you're going to have more opportunity to get sick, such as sinusitis, colds, sore throats. Number 4, you can get fatigue, brain fog. There is a part of the lymphatic system in our brain and it drains toxins away from our brain. If it's not working efficiently, you can get brain fog, have trouble focusing, and get headaches. Even fibromyalgia and joint pain are symptoms that you can get when the lymphatic system is not functioning at 100%. So, what are the 5 ways to clean this lymphatic system up? What are the 5 ways to detox? Number 1, make sure you're hydrating. The lymphatic system is mostly fluid, and a lot of us out there are dehydrated. So my goal for you is to aim to get half your body weight in ounces of water. For example, if you weigh 200 pounds, drink about 100 ounces of water. Now, I put ACV over there for apple cider vinegar. For every 8 ounces of water, add about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It has this amazing nutrient in there called acetic acid, which can help you lose weight, helps with blood sugar and blood pressure, and really is a great immune system booster, as well as helping the lymphatic system detox. Now, when you're drinking water, make sure you're drinking it between meals. When you drink too much water with your meals, you dilute the digestive juices that your body needs to break down food and digest it properly, okay? Number 2, exercise. The lymphatic system, unlike the circulatory system with the heart, does not have its own pumping mechanism. So it needs your muscles to contract and relax to move that lymph fluid properly throughout the body. Now, you don't have to go and just lift weights. Yoga is wonderful. Even walking has been shown to help with lymphatic congestion. But you do need to move. So if you're out there and you have a sedentary lifestyle, you sit at a desk all day, make sure you're getting up every hour for 5 minutes. Even just walking around the office will be very beneficial for you. Number 3, a clean diet. Now, what does this mean? There's a lot of diets out there. There's a lot of confusion. For me, a clean diet means this. A, you have to get all your essential nutrients that your body requires to function at 100% every single day. That means vitamins, minerals. Make sure you're getting all of your essential fats, omega-3 fats like wild-caught salmon, or even if you don't eat fish, flaxseed, hemp seed, walnuts, chia seeds. Make sure you're getting good protein from non-conventional sources, such as no conventional meat, no conventional dairy. If you're going to have meat or dairy, make sure it's from grass-fed sources. You could also get protein from legumes and nuts and seeds. Now, there's a lot of people out there who are afraid of beans, but if you soak and cook your beans, they're going to be very healthy for you. They have a lot of fiber, they have protein, and the cooking and soaking of the beans overnight is going to reduce something called phytic acid, which is not great for you. But you do not need to get rid of beans completely. If your body deals with them in a proper way, by soaking and cooking, you're going to still get a lot of great nutrition from them. Also, when you're eating grains, make sure that you're having sprouted or fermented grains, like fermented sourdough bread or sprouted Ezekiel bread. And obviously, lots of fruits and vegetables that give you a lot of antioxidants, and that kind of nourishment plus fiber is going to help support detoxing the lymphatic system. Now, 4 things I recommend staying away from. Number 1, sugar. Number 2, stay away from any processed grains, grains that have not been sprouted or fermented. Number 3, stay away from cooked vegetable oils. Vegetable oils that have been cooked are very rancid and can have a real negative impact on our body. Remember, these are fats that are being absorbed into your lymphatic system and will definitely cause some congestion. And then the 4th thing is alcohol. Alcohol can be very hard on the body. It definitely affects the liver and the lymphatic system and will cause some congestion. Number 4, dry brushing. You can get a brush, and what you do is you just scrub your body before your shower for about 5 or 10 minutes and go in the line of the way the lymphatic system flows. So work from your feet to your chest and then your arms to your chest as well. Do it again, 5 to 10 minutes. You can do it every day before your shower, and that stimulates the lymphatic system to get moving, flowing properly. And number 5, I love herbs for moving that lymphatic system. The 3 I use the most are cleavers, mangista, and of course the famous turmeric, which is wonderful for supporting lymphatic system flow. I'll be back soon with more videos to help support your healing, to help get your body back to 100%. I hope you have an amazing night.